We'll guide you through how to use star codes in Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Star codes are really awesome because they allow you to go and support your favorite creator. If your creator has a code, you can go and use it when making a purchase and the creator will go and be rewarded. So to go and get started, you need to come onto Roblox and go to the top right and go and tap on the Robux icon like so. At the top, you can go and see your balance and you can see all the different amounts of Robux you can purchase. But you need to scroll right to the bottom and there it'll go and say tap here to add a star code. So tap there and you can then type in the star code you want to use. In this case, I want to support a creator called Flamingo. So I'll then press add and it now says you're supporting Flamingo. Click on the question mark and it will say they'll earn 5% of your purchase, but you keep the Robux you paid for. So I could go and say get this amount of Robux, I can make the purchase and go and support the creator while I'm doing it. It's that simple.